Hello everyone and welcome to Ira tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today we are going to see sentences and types of sentences. So sentence has mainly four types: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. So let us see one by one. Okay. So here in the table format it is given to make you understand easily that how you can differentiate these uh, four types of sentences. First is declarative sentence. Sentence, its function as a statement. It tells us something. For example, John liked Mary, and it always ends with full stop. Interrogative. So it asks us something. Does Mary like John? So it ends with question mark. Then imperative sentence. Imperative sentence function is command. It tells us to do something. Stop, close the door. Okay. So it end with exclamation mark or full stop. And exclamative is it gives us exclamation, that means it expresses surprise. What a funny story he told us, and it always ends with exclamatory mark. Let us see these types in detail. Most of the sentences of English languages are assertive. That means maximum part of we speak English is assertive sentences only. The sentences which declares or asserts statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentences can be either affirmative or negative. So these are some examples of the assertive sentence. An assertive sentence makes statement or declare something. Okay, so it is a sentence that declare or emphasize a sentence, emotion, opinion, event, history or anything is called assertive sentence, and this is also called as declarative sentence. So declarative or assertive sentence divided into affirmative and negative. Affirmative means a sentence which have no use of any negative word like no, not, never, etc. are called affirmative. Example: I eat a mango. And negative means the sentence which uses the negative words like no, not, never, neither nor, nothing, etc. are called negative sentences. He has no money. This is not declarative sentence types. Okay, so we saw that declarative sentence, again it divided into affirmative and negative. If I like coffee, I do not like coffee. Then interrogative. Interrogative ask a question. So we can see the example. Do you like coffee? Don't you like coffee? Why did you go? Why didn't you go? So here interrogative sentences are also of two types, positive and negative, and it asks something to us. Then imperative sentence, so it gives command, it gives us command. Okay, so let us see these imperative sentences are also positive and negative. Stop, don't stop. Give her coffee, don't give her coffee are the examples. Now 4, exclamative sentence. So exclamative sentences expresses strong emotion, surprise on exclamation, and they always end with exclamation mark. Okay, let us see example. What a liar he is. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. Okay, so those are the types of sentences. I hope that everyone might have understood it clearly. If you if this video is really useful to you, don't forget to like it. Give your comment also how it is, means is it useful to you or not, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends. Thank you.